And who got your kinetic sand was Uncle Andrew and Auntie Trish. So what do you say?
Thank you.
Thank you. We're not really doing. We're supposed to go to the movies today, guys.
But it was raining.
But it's raining so hard, and there's supposed to be like storm and everything. But we can try going tomorrow. We can go tomorrow. We can try going tomorrow. What are we gonna go see? Jumanji?
Yeah.
Or Coco?
Jumanji.
Jumanji.
I want Coco.
Coco. Well, we'll see when we get there.
Yeah, I made a snowman. I'm just making it. Hi guys, we're back from church and we're a bit disappointed because we didn't get to go to the movies because it's raining really hard. But we had a really fun day at church and now we're just watching some TV. We had a little meal after church and we want to have a little shout out to all our cousins at church. And yeah.
Oh, Noah. Noah had a headache. He wasn't feeling very well at church today. I think he might be coming down with a cold. He's sleeping now. Get better soon. Feel better soon. How do you think you went with your reading today, Joe?
Good. Well, we did good.
I think you did too. You read it very
I didn't
well.
cry.
I know you didn't cry. You went and got the pizza with Daddy today, didn't you?
Yeah. I'm driving. I was screaming, but
Hey, I can't understand you. Talk properly.
It was Mum. I get to hold Ava.
Did you?
Uh-huh.
Did you ask Ava's mum if you could hold her?
Yes.
And did she let you hold her?
Uh-huh.
Ah, thanks, Auntie Millie.
I made a pirate snowman.
Wow, that's so awesome, Bella.
This is the sword.
Yay, well done, Bella.
But the hat might fall off.
Oh, that's okay. Okay, squish it now.
And now Max made one down there.
Oh, look too. Just
This is the small sword.
small sword.
And as you can
Squish yours, Max. Yay. So we have Bella and Max. They've made their, what? Town. They've made their little town out of
Snowman.
kinetic sand. So you just press it.
It's not that hard. After we gotta squash it.
Eee, that one. Layla, don't squeeze them.
Just trying to fix it up.
Well, that's their kinetic sand
We're gonna
town. So
squash
squish them.
Go! Me and Max squash them, Maxton.
Squish them. Make sure that it doesn't go on the carpet like that one.
No, Layla. No, Layla!
Layla, leave it for them to squish, please. You can have a turn after.
Max, squash the little people with your finger like they're cockroaches.
Yay!
Killed all of them.
Killed all the big giant bugs.
All the giant cockroaches.
Yuck.
This head's still alive.
Ew. Yuck.
This head's still alive. Just squashed it.
Ew. Thanks, guys.
This head's still alive. I'm gonna carve my cake now. I made it.
What does it say on the top?
It says Happy New Year.
Yay! Happy New Year. Can I have a slice? Mmm. Thank you. Mmm. Chomp. Oh, yum.
Oh, she
Tastes
actually
nice.
ate it.
Mmm. No, I didn't. Here it is. I just used my hand to take it off. Don't want children to eat the sand. Thank you, Bella, for my piece of cake. Bye. I'm gonna make a donut. Hey,
I'm gonna make a donut after this.
You're gonna make a donut.
Yes.
Oh, what was that?
Layla's alarm.